Welcome to Banzai, the nation's premier experience-based financial education program. In just a few minutes, you'll be completely set up, and your students will be practicing personal finance with real-life scenarios. From the dashboard, you can create and personalize as many classes as you need. Each class has a unique class code that your students will use to link their student accounts to the correct class when they sign up. This lets you monitor the class as a whole and also view each student's progress individually. You can reset passwords, view test scores, and even reset students' progress. The Student View button lets you try Banzai as if you were a student. You can play the games, take tests, and navigate the interactive library. Curriculum takes you to the Banzai help site for additional resources, like details on how Banzai meets your state's required learning objectives. It also answers frequently asked questions, like how long will Banzai take to complete? Click Order Booklets to place an order for additional printed activities that can be sent to you for free. Many educators ask how we're able to provide our award-winning products at no cost to you. This is possible because of a local financial institution, a bank or credit union, who sponsors your school. In many cases, they can even provide opportunities for branch field trips or in-class presentations on career or financial topics you care about. Thank you for taking a minute to learn more about Banzai. You're ready to get started. For additional questions or to schedule a one-on-one photo demo, call us at 888-822-6924. Use the chat button on the bottom of your teacher account or send us an email at support@teachbanzai.com.